Hello and welcome back to Macuse Signature Kitchen, where culture meets comfort and every recipe tells a story. Today I'm bringing you a true taste of Haiti, traditional Haitian Chokola, rich, creamy spice and full of flavor. This drink is more than just hot chocolate. It's a memory, a tradition, and pure comfort in a cup. Let's get started. Haitian Chokola bar, cinnamon stick, lime peel skin only, nutmeg to taste, cinnamon powder to taste, salt, vanilla extract, granulated sugar, and evaporated milk. In a pot, add 5 to 6 cups of water, drop in your cinnamon sticks, lime peels, skin only, and a pinch of salt. If you have any star anise, you can add it, but I didn't have it, so I skip on that. So it will bring a nice flavor to your Haitian Chokola. Bring it to a boil and let the flavors infuse. When it starts boiling, add your Haitian chocolate bar and stir until it melts. Let it boil until it reaches your desired richness and thickness. Add the sugar and stir until fully dissolved. Next, add the milk for that creamy texture. Season with a touch of nutmeg and cinnamon powder. And finish with 2 splashes of vanilla extract. Let it simmer just a little bit longer until the texture is smooth, rich, and silky. Serve it warm or cold, depending on the season. Voila, and enjoy every sip of this Haitian classic.